Hello guys, did you know that when you install application from Play Store and then you uninstall them, it doesn't mean that you have actually deleted them from your phone. They are still occupying space in your phone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to delete them permanently so that your phone will have space. So what you're supposed to do is that you'll go to Play Store, you click on it, and then you'll come and click at the corner there where you see your profile photo, and then you'll click Manage Apps and Device. Click there. Then you'll go ahead by clicking here where they have said Manage, and you'll see the installed applications that you are using right now. But there are those applications that you used before, then you uninstall them, but they are still operating, they are still occupying the space in your phone. So what you're supposed to do is you will come and click where they have said this device, there's that arrow, and then you click not installed. So these are the apps that I used before, but I uninstalled them thinking that they have gone forever. They have not gone forever. So what you're supposed to do is for you to select them one by one. If your phone can select them all, it is well and good. You select them until they are all done, and then you come and click where they have said, they have put X there. So let me select these apps. And then I come here, you can see it is already freeing. You can see here 1.5 GB, so I remove them. So I can proceed by selecting the rest so that I can free more space. You see, now I have removed all of them and my phone has regained space.